Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer all your photos or your selected photos from iPhone to PC. So the first step is to plug in your iOS device to a Windows PC, press trust if prompted on your iPhone, and then key in the password as usual. And then let's go to our PC now. At this point, you'll be able to see the iPhone is connected to your Windows PC and you'll be able to see the internal storage. I highly recommend that you install Apple devices from Microsoft Store, and in my experience, it increases the reliability of the connection between your iOS device and your Windows PC. So once you install Apple devices, you can see the status of your iPhone on the Apple devices app. You might need to press some buttons first when it is the first time you install the Apple devices, but actually even if you don't install Apple devices, it will be working just fine as well. So now let's go to Photos app, which is pre-installed on Windows 11 PC. On the top right, you will see button called Import, and then under there you will see Apple iPhone listed. Once you press that, it will load all the images including videos from your iPhone. Just wait a while. It takes around 10 minutes for me because I have like thousands of images and videos. Once all the images and videos are loaded, you can select the ones that you want to import or just press select all and then press add. And then from here, you choose the folder that you want to put the images and videos to. Finally, press import and it will be running, and once you are done, you will see the images and videos located in the target directory that you specify. So that is all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.